Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're exploring the latest trend in haircuts, crew haircuts. These stylish cuts are perfect for anyone who wants a fresh modern look. Make sure to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends who love staying on trend. Let's start with the classic K crew haircuts. This timeless look, a short style with a hit of texture, perfect for anyone who wants a low maintenance stylish look. Next, modern look, modern K crew haircuts. The age look, a bold undercut style with a stylish design on top, perfect for those who want to make a statement. Choose out the trending K curve haircuts. This bold look features a high and tight style with a stylish design on top, perfect for those who want to stay ahead of the cover. Let's latest we have the stylish crew haircuts. Stylish crew haircuts, the versatile looks feature and sleek style with a hit of texture, perfect for anyone who want a chic put together and gather look. Your cut is very popular and unique and very beautiful hairstyling look. The crew haircuts is very popular and unique and different hairstyle and different face shapes. Your look is very unique and amazing. And crew haircuts is different ideas and different hairstyle for different haircuts ideas. This video crew haircuts with fat especially bonds. Let's choose out these cake review haircuts with fat. Who loves a little extra aids in their haircuts? Here the haircuts is very different trick and tips. Let's share some haircut tips and tricks. We want to keep hair cake review haircuts looking fresh and stylish. Use P-mode for add hold. Style your hair with a bit of texture. Get regularly turns or to maintain the shape. Have fun with it and make it your own. The haircuts is very unique and beautiful cake review haircuts, designs, and stylish ideas for popular trending haircuts. Cake review haircuts, especially and very unique and bones. Let's check out these cake review haircuts with fat. Your haircuts is different unique ideas for this video. Your haircut is very beautiful and awesome look for this hairstyling review haircuts. Some haircuts very specially and very unique hairstyling. Crew haircuts are types of haircuts that is grandly short in length and styled with a bit of texture. And here are some popular ideas. Classic crew cut, a short, clean cut look with a fat on the side and back. Textural grew cut, a short cut with a bit of texture and volume on top. Fade crew cuts, a crew cut with a fade on the sides and back, often parts with a longer top layers. Undercuts crew cut, a crew cut with an undercuts often styled with a bit of different hairstyle shapes. Your cut is very beautiful and stylish look. A short cut with a lot of texture and volume, styled with a bit of layers. A classic crew cut with a product style top layers. A crew cut with a cuff style top layer, often style with a bit of texture. Short crew cut, a very short cut, often with a fat on the sides and back. Longer crew cuts, a crew cut with a longer top layer, often styled with a bit of texture. Stylish crew cuts, a crew cut with a bit of style and texture, often with a fat on or undercuts. Some popular styling products for crew haircuts include styling cream, texture spray, salad spray, hair wax. These haircuts are great for those who want a low maintenance style look that's perfect for any everyday wear. Here are some popular crew haircuts type: high and tight crew, a classic maintaining inspiring look with a high fade and tight sides. Crew cut with fat, a crew cut with a fat on the sides and back, often parts with longer top layers. Undercuts crew cut with and undercuts often styled with a bit of missingness. A short cut with a bit of texture and volume on top. A shoulder a shortcut with a lot of texture and volume, style with a bit of layers. A crew cut with a side part and a bit of texture on top. A classic crew cut with a popular style top layers. Your cut is very unique and different, unique looks for popular ideas, haircuts with different hair color dye ideas. A crew cut with a cuffing style top layer, often styled with a bit of texture. Your your crew cut with a low fat on the side and back. A crew cut with a skin fat on the sides and backs. Your your cut is very different and popular ideas. Your haircuts dye ideas for this video. I hope your video is very useful ideas for different haircuts, popular and different dye ideas. Please my channel Fashion Box. Please subscribe and press the bell icon, like, share and subscribe.